On this episode of Make Me a Sandwich, we visit co-creator,
there he is,
Chef Jeremy Spector,
What's up?
and grill him about the world's best hamburger. A burger so good that food deity Guy Fieri called it dynamite! We get the beef on his beef, tips on how to melt cheese, and what kind of buns he's into. So,
What are we doing?
We're making a burger. 70-30 blend, 25% aged meat, 65% fresh meat, and then an added 10% soup.
what? Better check the beef chart.
So this is the beef chart.
Beef chart.
Right here where this number 3 is, you buy this piece of meat, you're actually getting ribeyes. You're getting that in your burger. And this is a really heavily flavored piece of meat. A lot of butchers will actually save this because it's almost like a tenderloin and it's really delicious. And when this piece of meat is aged, it is absolutely incredible.
You're getting so passionate.
You can smell it.
You can. It smells like salami almost.
Yeah.
Ciao.
It gives you the complexity and it gives you a depth in flavor, but it doesn't take over the flavor of the burger. It's still what you think a burger should be.
Right.
Shape it back up a little bit again, flatten it out so you get a large surface area where it's going to sear. The contrast in the outer layer of crispiness and the inner layer of softness also gives a certain sort of like uniqueness to the burger.
Wow, you're a fucking poet.
So we got our cast iron pan, beautifully seasoned. You want to get it searing hot. This thing should be screaming. The way you know it's ready is when it's completely cleaned of all the oil and you start to see smoke coming out of it anyway.
I see smoke.
You see smoke? That's how you know that it's ready.
That's a good trick. Hit it. Oh!
Screaming.
It's like you want to turn down the volume because the porn is too loud. Your neighbors are going to start to wonder, what are you laughing at? Because you know it's sexy. Oh man, and you smell it right away.
Yeah.
Woo!
And there's no oil in here or anything. The burger's going to give off enough oil. It's going to give off enough fat to cook. The exact opposite of a foreman grill. And I'll let this go for another minute. And the grease will almost just start to catch fire a little bit. And that's when I know that the temperature's just right to throw it in the oven for a minute. And in the meantime, I'm going to put our plain old regular white bun. Nothing special. This burger's about the meat, not about the bread. Check the bottom. You're getting the back part of my burger.
Do that again.
Take it.
Perfect.
Burger out, back on the flame, check it. Nice sear, good. So I want to melt this cheese and I don't have a salamander. So the best way to melt the cheese, put the cheese on the hot side of the burger. I have these caramelized onions here, some moisture on them. I'm going to put them in the pan. So we have a lot of steam coming up right now from the onion. We have a hot burger. Just going to put the top on it just like so. So now I'm sort of like encapsulating the steam and it's going to melt the cheese really nice. And voila. We need a couple pickles on this plate. And after 45 seconds, so we have a really perfectly melted cheese here. Just your caramelized onions.
Boom.
See the bread to meat ratio? This is about meat. Not about a brioche bun. You're supposed to eat the meat, so the bun keeps your hands clean. The quintessential cheese for a burger, really, in my opinion, is American cheese. It melts perfectly. It's not strong enough. It doesn't overwhelm the flavor of the meat. And it also relates to people's sensory memory. We have cheddar, we have blue cheese, and people like that on their burger, but I like it with American.
That's it.
That's it.
That's all there is.
That's all there is.
It is the world's greatest burger.
I think so.
Let's bring it outside and eat it. Okay, do me a favor, just slide it in there. Yep. Perfect.
This outer part of the ribeye has Deckle. I can't remember. There's a scientific name for it. I think it starts with an S.
Why don't you just move your mouth and I'll put it in post. It's called the what?
It's called
No, but you gotta move your mouth so you can put the words in.
okay. It's called the spinalis dorsi.
Perfect. Who's this guy on the wall?
Don't know.
Oh, lie. Make up a story.
This is Dean's grandfather.
The man loved meat. How famous is that burger?
This burger's pretty world famous. We have people literally come from all over the world and eat this burger. I mean, they take pictures with me. Like tourists will come in, take pictures with me, and eat this burger. I am not shitting you.
Yo, thanks for watching. It's Robbie the Sandwich Serini. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a new video each week. If you got a place we should check out, then let me know down in the comments. We love you, and see you next time.
Oh, that's good. Sandwich vendor.